Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I thought we'd do an eyeshadow tutorial. I've not done one in a while, or it seems like I've not done one in a while anyway. I think I did one Christmas Day. Okay, so I pulled this out from my shop, my stash. I've not done any looks with it as of yet. And it's not completely, I've not used completely all of this because the actual lid shade, it just wouldn't have gone. I mean, it would have probably looked a little bit smoky. I wanted to use this shade here all over the lid, this really nice purple. It's called Raw Energy. But then, you know, we've only got Hexed and Third Eye. I mean, it's kind of like a cranberry, a brown cranberry shade, so it might have gone. But I wanted to. We'll be using this palette a lot next year. So it's the Makeup Geek singles I want to completely get out of here. So there's this one here, Creme Brulee, I think it is. No, Peach Smoothie, Cupcake. Cupcake's the one I've got on today. Cocoa Bear. I've got a ways to go on that one. And Shimmer Shimmer. And also I want to get rid of this Colourpop one. Just them. Like, just have them completely out, and then I've just got 4 left in here, and I don't know whether I'll keep those in or whether I'll just declutter them, because these singles are really old now. I just thought, since I've, you know, got so much progress on these ones, and then obviously Shimmer Shimmer and Cocoa Bear to an extent, why not bring it into Project Pan next year? First of all, I went in with this Real Techniques Apply Eyeshadow brush. And I went into Cupcake. Really packed the colour on. Mirror. A mirror would be nice. I keep saying this. Okay, let's come a bit closer. Oh, this Oodie, by the way. So you can get Oodies and you can get Snuddies and you can get kind of the dupes of them. This is a proper one from the company, the Oodie. My mum got it me for Christmas. You will have seen it in my what I got for Christmas. I'll show you that before we do the makeup. Well, I'll show you as much as I can. So just take you down. So it's really long. And it goes up to a size 6XL. So basically it's just really big, so you can wear really nice fluffy pyjamas on underneath as well. It's really snug. So yeah, I absolutely love this, and I love the fact that it's got space on it. So just thought I'd show you that. Okay, now let's go in with Cupcake. I feel like we're not really central though. Okay, now we can go in with Cupcake. So all over the lid first and into the crease. You don't have to be precise with this because the lid's going to get covered up anyway. But I do want to put quite a lot on. So I've just been talking to this guy just today, and he lives in my favourite place in the UK, the Lake District. And he was like, have you ever been to the Lake District? And I said, as it goes, it's my favourite place in the UK. And he's like, okay. I said, I'm supposed to be going in May with my mum because she's never actually been, and I want to show her around. And he said, well, if you ever need a tour guide when you're here, let me know. And I said, well, you'll probably be dating by then. May's a long way away. So he said, well, I hope not. You know, giving me all the right answers and things like that. I just think I'm a little bit cynical when it comes to men, because most of the men that I chat to are sleazer. He seems nice. He's a paramedic. He's worked all over Christmas. He does seem really nice. But I don't have the best track record, guys. I really don't. When it comes to men, I don't have the best track record. So then, what I want to do now, where's that brush? Oh, here. Normally I would go in with this Colourpop one. because there's one in the Urban Decay Stone Vibes and that was in my Shop My Stash, I'm going to use that. So it's called Good Karma. I've used it quite a bit. This one here, sorry. Okie dokie, so that's that. Then I'm going to go in with this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush, and I went in with Third Eye, this one here. I'm hoping to get another video done before I go to my mum's, but I think I'm quite pushed for time. And I don't have a clue what lipstick to wear. I feel like it's still a bit of a struggle. I'm not too sure whether I'm over the whole infection. So, I mean, it's been longer than a week. Right, then I just put some W7 Sparkle Slate glitter glue on. And it's raining outside as well. Why is it every time I have to go somewhere it rains? Right, and then Amy sent me this Urban Decay 24/7 in the shade Vice. I really, really like this shade. I've used it before. Normally I would go with the Wayne Goss one, but considering we're wearing purple, even though it doesn't really look like purple, it looks like a silver, I'm going to go in with this. There we go. Feels a little bit tacky. So yeah, that's my story on dating. Watch this space. I'll give you an update in a week's time if I'm still talking to the guy. Okay, let's go in with Raw Energy. This one here. Who's got this palette? Because this palette has been such a surprise to me. I've used it. Oh, I've gone in with a blue. I might actually go over the top with a blue because that actually looked quite nice. I've used it over Christmas quite a few times now. So I used a green. I used, I think, Tiger's Eye. Now I've used Raw Energy. I think I want to go in with Ojo as well. Just over the top a little bit to make it a little bit darker. So I feel like it's not giving me the oomph that I want. And you can tell which ones I like the most because you've got more of a dip on. Not like the most, you can tell the ones that I've used the most. Jade is definitely one of the ones I've used the most. Opal Aura, I use that every single time I use the palette just for the inner corner. Tiger's Eye, I've used a lot. And Ojo. I'm surprised at Ojo actually, just because I don't really like blue. But let's go in with a bit of this. Maybe some of them are just softer than others. Maybe tap a bit of this on over the top. Oh yes. I'm not going in with a lot of this. I'm just tapping a little bit over the top. Same with this. So really we're getting that kind of blurple shade. Okay. Right, and then we're going to go in with this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH39. I mean, I shouldn't really promote her brushes, should I? I should just show them. I forgot. I'm not going to stop using them. I've got them. And I will use them. I know there's a lot of, I won't even say controversy, you know, because what she's done is wrong. And I certainly won't buy anything else from her collections. If it's still going. I don't think it is. Yeah, I think that's that done. Mascara. I'm still using the Essence Get Big Lashes. I'm not 100% sure if it's still good, to be honest. Okay, that looks good. Now the dilemma is lipstick, guys. And it really is a dilemma. What have I got in here? Why the hell is that cream blush in there? But it's quite brown. Yeah, it's too brown. Maybe a lip liner, because you can sharpen most of these lip liners. Maybe a quite pink-toned one. Oh, this one is from Primark. It's quite old as well. The PS Instagirl Kiss Proof Lip Liner Pencil. Long-lasting, smudge-proof, waterproof. It's called It Girl. Oh, no, I think that's ready to go anywhere. So let's see what we can do with this. I remember really liking this. It's a really nice pink. Oh, yeah, it's expired. That's red. Right, so this is a similar shade. This one's by Rimmel, and it's in East End Snob, and I used to love this as well. Doesn't have a pencil sharpener on it, but it's gone. Oh, we're not doing too well, are we? Not doing too well, guys. I mean, we're doing great at decluttering liners. What shade's this one? Like a pinky red. Okay, let's just do this. It's like a raspberry. That actually looks quite pretty with that eye look. So I'm going to take this to my mum's. What shade is this? It's a Kiko Smart Lip Pencil in the shade 709. They probably don't do it anymore. It's super old. These are going to go in empties. The empties video is going to be the next you'll see. So let's put this back up here. So guys, this is the overall look. I really, really like it. I absolutely adore this palette. I don't think there'll be any more looks, but I think what I'll do is I'll show you the Instagram looks that I've done so far with it. I think there's a couple on Instagram. And any more that I do after this video, I'll also try and put them in somewhere. If you don't see them, it just means I've wanted to get this scheduled on YouTube, and you'll see them when I do the ranking video. So again, that's what it looks like. It is so, so pretty, and we'll be using this way before next Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Please like, it really does help my small channel grow. Share and comment. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to welcome you into my little fam. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.